What if artificial intelligence could build the world's tallest skyscraper without a single human lifting a finger? Within seconds, AI scans the ground, designs the structure, and robotic machines begin laying the foundation with millimeter precision. Steel beams rise automatically as intelligent cranes work in perfect synchronization without human operators. Floor after floor appears at incredible speed. Glass panels install themselves, while AI coordinates every movement flawlessly. Inside, AI installs elevators, smart lighting, energy systems, and fully automated offices in record time. But with AI-powered robotics advancing every year, the future may be closer than we think. Would you work in a building built entirely by AI?